Welcome to Baskota Academy. Today we will learn how to open Jupyter Notebook from specific folder. First, let's open Jupyter Notebook and see what it looks like. Here we can see that it has opened the default directory where Jupyter Notebook has been installed. This is commonly the home directory of your user account. Now, what if we want to open the folder from another drive, let's say F drive, and access the Jupyter Notebook from that folder? For this, copy the full path of the directory to which we would like to have access. Here we are copying the path of folder SciPy 2019 Pandas Master from the F drive. Now, open the Anaconda prompt by clicking Run as Administrator. Be careful over here, we are not running a regular command prompt. Now type F: and press Enter. This will change the current drive to F drive. Now type CD, press space and paste the path of the folder and hit Enter. This will change the current directory to the specified path that we just provided. Now write Jupyter Notebook, press Enter and wait for a moment. Here we have successfully accessed the folder from another drive, from F drive in our case. Let's check the contents of the folder side by side. Now, as we can access the folder from another directory other than the home directory, we can access the Jupyter Notebook from any location. Thanks for watching. And please subscribe to our channel if you like this problem-solving content.